Welcome to the latest edition of Hematology Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by LucidQuest. Pharma Essentia reports the FDA accepted the supplemental BLA for ropeginterferon alpha-2 BNJFT in essential thrombocythemia with a standard review, setting a PDUFA target of August 30, 2026. This submission is supported by the Phase III SURPASS-ET study and the confirmatory Phase II-B EVICTION, with endpoints not specified in the announcement. Expect potential shifts in prescriber and payer evaluations once full data is available. Ipsen's BTN-3A antibody IPN-60340 received FDA Breakthrough Therapy Designation in first-line unfit acute myeloid leukemia when combined with venetoclax and azacitidine. The designation is based on EVICTION Phase I/II data, including a single-arm subset with the venetoclax and azacitidine regimen that showed encouraging response rates versus historical standards of care. This supports expedited development and broader modality investment. AbbVie and Genmab announced top-line Phase III results in relapsed or refractory diffuse large B-cell lymphoma. In EPCORE DLBCL-1, Epcoritamab improved progression-free survival versus physician's choice of R-GemOx or bendamustine and rituximab, with a hazard ratio of 0.74, while overall survival did not reach statistical significance, hazard ratio 0.96. The trial enrolled 483 transplant-ineligible patients and reported a safety profile consistent with prior experience. These results may shape treatment decisions after full data disclosure. Cadrenal highlighted VLX-1005, a selective 12-lipoxygenase inhibitor for heparin-induced thrombocytopenia. Emerging Phase II data in suspected HIT suggest reduced thrombotic complications, with details not yet specified. The program holds Orphan Drug Designation and Fast Track, and FDA engagement is planned regarding a potential Phase III. The FDA issued draft guidance proposing minimal residual disease negativity after complete response and complete response or stringent complete response as surrogate endpoints for accelerated approval in multiple myeloma. The draft emphasizes validated MRD assays, confirmatory trials, and a preference for randomized designs, while allowing single-arm approaches in defined situations. This may influence study design, clinical practice interpretation, and payer discussions. Genmab reported 2025 Darzalex net sales of $14.351 billion, as disclosed by Johnson & Johnson, with $8.266 billion from the United States and $6.085 billion from the rest of world. Royalty revenues to Genmab are governed by the global license. Continued growth across intravenous and subcutaneous formulations underscores the product's market momentum and competitive impact. Opna Bio announced Orphan Drug Designation for Zavabresib, also known as OPN-2853 in Myelofibrosis. This BET inhibitor has been tested with ruxolitinib in the Phase I PROMISE study, where data presented at ASH 2025 showed at least 50% spleen length reduction in 16 of 26 evaluable patients. The designation provides development incentives and potential exclusivity upon approval. Takeda introduced GAMMAGARD LIQUID ERC in the United States, a ready-to-use 10% immune globulin with low IgA content of no more than 2 micrograms per milliliter. It is indicated for primary immunodeficiency in patients 2 years of age and older, can be administered intravenously or subcutaneously, and allows room temperature storage for up to 24 months. The label includes thrombosis and renal warnings consistent with the IG class, and the product shares a manufacturing platform with Takeda's immunoglobulin portfolio. Stay ahead in hematology research. Like, share and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.